Have you ever stopped to wonder why some people seem to achieve everything they want while others remain stuck year after year? See, the truth lies in something deceptively simple, and that is habits. Hey there, nickrehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to this video on habits. See, the habits you formed yesterday aren't just random actions. They're the architects of your life today. See, every decision you made, big or small, set the stage for the results you're experiencing right now. But here's the twist. If you're not happy with your results, it's not your goals that needs to change. It's your habits. You can't wish your way to success. You build your way there, brick by brick, with consistent, intentional actions. Want a better tomorrow? It starts with a choice today. A choice to replace distractions with focus, procrastination with action, and doubt with belief. Because here's the truth. The habits you form now are the foundations for the life you're creating. The question is, what kind of life will that be? It's time to take control. Start small, but start today. Your future self will thank you. Ready to start building the habits that create the life that you want? Visit freedomlifebusiness.com for tons of free resources, tools, and inspiration to take control of your future. Your journey to success starts today. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.